Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie, and welcome back to my 52-week project. We are starting the month of October, and I am going to use the months of the year, the month of October. Although this is very heavy on Halloween, I'm probably going to tone it down and do more fall colors. But if you know me, I love Halloween, so I might switch it up on the last week. Not sure yet. All right, so let's get to it. I've got 4 new sketches for you for the month of October. And if we go through the book and this project, so if you're wondering what this project is all about, started back in January, and we've been documenting our story throughout the weeks. As I mentioned to you, we are starting the month of October, and I'm starting week number 40. So I'm going to go quickly here through all of the sketches. These are all unique sketches that I create every month for this project, and it's a lot of fun. I really like the 6x8 format. I find that it's really easy to document your everyday life, and we're going to continue on with the month of October. So let's take a peek at the supplies. So at the beginning of each month, I like to kind of walk you through what I'm going to use for the month. Now, the idea is to use your scraps, and I've got some good ones here. I did do a workshop this month with pumpkin spice, and look at all the good stuff I have left over. I have a few good stickers that I can definitely use. I've got a full sheet here of pattern paper that I haven't cut into yet, and a lot of scraps, a lot of cardstock. Everything is in here ready to go. I still have some of these really good wood stickers, so I've got a lot of good pieces here that I can use throughout the month of October. I even looked into some of my stash from last October, and I had done a few of these really nice leaves, and I'm thinking that, you know what, these might make an appearance as well in my next couple of weeks. I am bringing a few older stamp set. I like to use a background stamp set. If I don't have enough paper, I make my own. I do use the tiled alphabet here, which is it's not in the right it's not in the right carrying case, but these are retired, and I do mark off each and every week with these, which are really great. And maybe look at something in your stash to do a little bit of background work with your stamping. So again, we'll be bringing on this stamp right here. And as far as journaling spots or things like that, I also like to use these stitch brackets. They're a lot of fun. So I hope that you're still creating, because I know a lot of you have been mentioning that you're keeping up and you're enjoying this project. I am too. So let's move on to the month of October, and I will catch you in the next video. Now, if you want to see the complete project, I'm going to link it in the description box, and you can take a look at it, and maybe it's something you want to start next January. As always, thank you for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day, and don't forget to take pictures.